In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code 0X800f0922. Now this should work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first go to search, then type in CMD, and then right click, run as administrator. Okay. Now you have to write down LODCTR space / capital R, then hit enter. Then you should get this successful message, and then write this other command, win mgmt.exe / and the space / resync and then perf. So, and then make sure to leave a space and then just hit enter. And now you have to, so this basically resyncs the Windows command instrumentation. And then finally type this command, capital D ISM space / online / cleanup - image space / restore health, then hit enter. And then now you just have to wait for it to finish. So once it finishes, close the command prompt and then click here. Then you have to restart your computer, and now you can try to update, and this should work for you. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.